It was really all about IT, which was the sore point from the word go today. And HCL Technologies is going home with a 10.5% cut. There's also Infosys, which ahead of its numbers tomorrow is down about 3.5%. TechM down, TCS down 2.5%, Tata Elxsi down 8%, Persistent down 5%, Coforge down in excess of 4%, and these are all the futures prices that I'm quoting to you. M&M down almost 3% as well. HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, both those names as well were under pressure. And then, of course, there was ITC and L&T along with Bharti. So a large part of the heavyweight chunk of the Nifty was under pressure, which is why you're seeing the 200-point downtick on closing. 24,384 is where we're shutting shop for the Nifty futures. On the flip side, though, it was really all about the consumption theme when it came to the large caps, Tata Consumer, Unilever, so the metal names like a Hindalco. You also had an Nalco, which held out very smartly from within the broader market, which has been a lot more lively. Keynes, Adani Power, Exide, Adani Energy Solutions, IREDA, these have all been the strongholds.
Well, yeah, some big movers in trade today. Of course, you had all of those IT stocks under pressure, but outside of that, you're seeing a decent move, 2% uptick on an Aurobindo Pharma, PNC Infra up 6%, again on the back of a very, very large order win that we saw. NMDC, in fact, we had Anand Rathi initiate a sell, that stock closing absolutely on the flat line in trade, but NMDC in focus nonetheless with that initiating coverage. Note, we also saw results coming out at some point today. Havells has in fact lost all of its gains, currently sitting in the red, a third of a percent lower on Havells India. Maharashtra Scooters was the other one. Tech Mahindra, of course, was one of those which came out with numbers, 2.5% lower on that stock as well. When you're looking at some of the other gainers and losers, you saw Premier Explosives up 7.5%, Supriya Life up nearly 6% in trade. So, you've seen some good moves on the back of news and announcements which have come through today. When you're looking at the Nifty 500 basket, important to firstly note that the breadth was positive. It has closed positive, 315 odd advances to 180 odd declines that we're seeing. HCL Tech was the top loser on the Nifty 500 basket, along with transformers and rectifiers down 7%, Hexaware Tech down 7%, Tata Elxsi down 6.5%, Persistent down nearly 5% as well. So all of those, a bunch of stocks which have declared numbers. 4 out of the top 5 losers on the Nifty 500 are the ones which have declared numbers, plus are IT companies or transformers, rectifiers. Amara Raja, on the other hand, 17% higher on that one. IREDA up 9% plus. Data Patterns, Piramal Finance are just some of the other big movers. Adani Energy up 8% in trade on a day like this. So some good strong moves, breadth being positive. The mid-cap and small-cap indices closing in the green. In fact, small-cap closing 1% higher in trade. Some serious outperformance seen there. 2% outperformance versus the Nifty 50 index within that Nifty small-cap basket. So some good moves, and there you go. That's sectorally. 1.4% higher on the Nifty India Defence Index. Chemicals, FMCG, second straight day. In fact, third day in 4. Realty up 0.5% as well. Metals doing well. It's essentially IT and the Fin Nifty which has pulled down the Nifty 50. And on a day like that, well, it's inevitable that the Nifty will likely close in the red. And that's exactly how it's played out. But broader markets had a fairly decent outing. With that, completely out of time on this edition of Closing Trades. From Aisha, myself, everyone who puts this show together, thanks so much for watching. Stay with us here on ET Now. More action.